Ravitz, and welcome to this hidden mid-century moment in Mount Olympus, where it's all about the views. This 4-bedroom and 3.5-bath home is set behind private hedges with incredible indoor-outdoor flow, allowing for the quintessential LA lifestyle. With rich hardwood floors throughout, check out this dual fireplace, which is a focal point of the living and dining room. This home is almost 3,000 square feet on a 10,000 square foot lot, with big city and ocean views from the sun-drenched wood deck. This home was truly designed for outdoor entertaining. Check out the built-in grill, outdoor TV, heaters and speakers. Oh, and did I mention the view? This is what Mount Olympus has to offer: privacy, architectural influences, a sense of community, and views that make you feel like you're on top of the world. Give me a call to set up a tour of this home.